Hi, my name is Galliano, and I'm one of the founders of Boxable. I want to take a minute and tell you a little more about what we're working on and why I think it's going to change the world. Well, if you look at housing right now, it's slow, expensive, built by hand. The methods haven't really changed in 100 years. It's simply not working. That's evident all around the world. There are housing affordability issues everywhere. So, why is that? Well, I think it's because housing is still pre-factory. When you look at all our other modern products, like an iPhone or a television or a pickup truck, these products are readily available, low cost, and high quality. Well, that's because they're built using the assembly line principles created by Henry Ford over 100 years ago. Those principles changed our world, but they just have not translated into housing. One of the reasons for that is houses are very big, so they're difficult to ship. And a lot of the factory house builders lose a lot of money during the shipping process. So we think if you can't ship it, don't even bother to build it in the factory, just build it on site. And that's kind of the case right now. But at Boxable, we've gone through and tried to solve all the different problems that prevented housing from being mass produced in a factory the same way we build everything else. The first issue we have to solve is shipping. If you have a wide load and it's very expensive to ship, it doesn't work. What we've done is we've created a room module that actually folds up to 8.5 feet wide so it can be compatible with all the existing shipping logistics. That means these boxables, we can put 1,000 on a ship and send them by ocean. We can put 100 on a train. We can put them on a truck. We can pull them with a pickup truck. That's a huge deal. That kind of changes the scale of everything. So after we solved that problem, we dove into how are we going to solve everything else? What materials are we going to use? How are we going to build this? We did a lot of research and we figured out something that we think is compatible with automation, compatible with assembly line principles, compatible with robot arms. These are not traditional lumber stick frame walls. They're not cinder blocks. We're using all new stuff. A lot of very significant improvements that we think make the Boxable compatible with assembly line mass production, and we think we're going to be able to mass produce houses on a scale that is going to change the world. So this first product that we have here, it's called the Casita. It's our smallest room module. It's 20 by 20, and it's set up as kind of a studio apartment. We're targeting that towards the emerging backyard housing market that exists in California due to changes in laws where they basically legalized backyard housing in almost every backyard. Pretty cool, simple place for us to start, but the building system doesn't end there. We're going to eventually roll out bigger room modules with different interior configurations that all stack and connect to build any building you can imagine. We've engineered a product that can build anything from this little casita up to a large 1,000-unit multifamily. Not only that, we think we can build them anywhere in the world. So a pretty big upside here. We think we figured out how to build any building type, mass produced in the factory, anywhere in the planet. If we pull this off, we're going to be able to help billions of people. We've had great success and traction so far. We're just getting started. To date, we have over $1 billion of pre-orders from the general public. We have a couple high-profile initial customers. That includes a $10 million purchase order from the federal government. And also, the casita I'm sitting in right now, we just installed in Boca Chica, Texas, for a top secret customer. Pretty exciting to have these guys as our initial customer. I think it indicates that people agree we're onto something big here. So what are our next steps? Well, we're going to be entering into a lease on a very large warehouse building to create the Boxable Starter Factory in Las Vegas. That factory should be able to produce between 3,000 to 5,000 casitas per year. We believe it'll be online and at full speed in about 11 months. At that point, as soon as it's proven successful, we're going to scale because sky's the limit for demand on housing. Housing demand is massive all over the world. I can't think of a bigger market. So uh, very nice. We think that we can improve the quality of lives for millions of people all around the world. So we would love your support. Please check out the website. We are looking for interested parties. What we're doing is a very large undertaking, and we love all the help we can get. So go to boxable.com, take a look, reach out, email hello@boxable, and we'll keep you posted. Stay tuned for exciting updates coming soon. Thanks, guys.